There's a crazy job platform everyone is sleeping on. Everybody's talking about Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, right? LinkedIn. Nobody talks about this platform, and that is called We Work Remotely. It's one of the best job finding platforms, right? It's actually, I don't know if this is true, but it's one of the largest remote communities, right? One thing about making money is you don't want to go everywhere everyone is going, right? For example, you can't even post a job for less than $300. So you already know that the people that are posting jobs here, they are serious. It's not just filler jobs, not just people that are just posting to waste time, tire kickers. No, these are guys that are actually looking for people to hire. Do you understand? So, how can you now get these jobs? First of all, if you're paying $300 to post a job, you know that they are not playing around. So you need to have everything on point. Do you understand? To charge big money and make big money, you need to be a big time player. So make sure, first of all, make sure your profile, work on your LinkedIn, right? Make sure your LinkedIn is really good. Your social media in general is really good. You must have a portfolio website, whether you're a coder, graphic designer, video editor, web designer, any skill whatsoever. You should have it. Not a GitHub, not a Behance profile, not a Dribble profile, not your Twitter. No, a dedicated website for showcasing your work, talking about who you are, right? Showcasing your skills. You understand? You need to have professional pictures. You need to have a very specific target audience that you're working with. You understand? Have your CVs, have a general CV for all your skills. Let's say you do websites, you do graphics, and you do video editing. Have a general CV for those three. Then have individual CVs for each skill. Let it be a specific graphic design CV, specific web design CV. So you can use it to apply to each job. Then general ones are just, maybe you have any referrals, any friends that just ask you, okay, let me see your CV. Then you cannot send them general. Do you understand? These are all tips that people should pay for, and I'm giving for free. So if you want more amazing tips like this video is sponsored by the Remote Millionaire Academy, right? So if you're trying to get your first job, you're trying to make money online, make money from home, right? See, I'm living. This is late in the night. I can make videos anytime. In the morning, so I'm always at home. I don't go anywhere. I don't have to go anywhere. If I don't want to work for the next 1 month, as long as I can feed and I'm not drinking Gary, I'm good, bro. So if you want to live like this, it's not easy, but it's possible. You don't have to be entering Lagos traffic. I mean, Ikeja right now, you don't have to be entering Lagos traffic, being shouted at by your boss, like you don't have any time for your family, you don't have any time for your babe, for your even you have a nice car, you don't have any time to drive it. Do you understand? So the Remote Millionaire Academy is going to help you get your first job in 6 weeks. As long as you do the work recommended, you do the recommended number of job applications, and you follow the advice in the academy, you're going to get your job, a freelance job in 6 weeks or less, or you get your full money back. And for many of you guys that want one-on-one support, right, there's also going to be there. So if you want to get one-on-one support, DM me on Instagram or TikTok, Shegun Finance on both. DM me the word one-on-one, right? If you want one-on-one, it's more expensive, that's about 200k, right? If you want the academy, that's 50,000. It's online videos, but you don't have one-on-one support like that. You also have access to the Telegram group. I can ask some questions, but you don't have one-on-one mentorship. I'm with you, chasing you. So enough of that. Let's get back to the video. So websites like this, these are the websites that you want to be focusing on, not the ones that everybody's going for. Everybody's going for Fiverr, Upwork. Everybody's doing Fiverr and Upwork. Bro, are you not tired? There are websites that are hot, going crazy, and you don't even know about. So for example, now, if you're a backend engineer, see, this website is going to help if you're a programmer. But let's check. Instead of programming jobs, let's look for design, right? Let's even look for customer support. Sorry for the focus issue, right? So let's open customer support and see. Why is it not showing? Okay, apply filters. Why is so let's say you're a customer service guy, right? You can see the jobs here: chat support agent, Atlanta, Georgia. So these aren't. So what you have to do is look for the ones that work with your country anywhere in the world. See, this one is top 100. So this is a very, very demanded, high demand job, right? So how can you apply? Once you create an account, you have your CV and everything ready. So that's how you're going to apply. So it's very, very straightforward. You can see, just read through all of this. Make sure you don't just copy and paste and start. You just waste your time. Make sure you read through everything. You can see the application process here. This is what you're going to do. So you can see autofill your resume and everything. Once you create your account and everything is going to be here. So just come here, post it, and put your phone number and everything. So you should be applying to at least 5-10 jobs a day. Don't apply one and just waste your time. You can see no degree required, no prior experience with it. So many of you guys are asking, do you need a degree? Do you need to go and study 5 years in school or 20 years? Nobody really cares about that. What they care about is your skills. See, these are the things that they need. Look at the pay, flexible work from home, training program and everything. So I know that these guys, they are not playing about. Look at, if you check the job itself, you see that where they put it. They put let me go to the homepage. I think they put it in the homepage. Right, let me go back to the homepage. You can see they put top 100. So you can see that these guys are serious. I can even search up the company. So you know that these aren't fake jobs, right? So make sure you guys like the video and let me see you guys later.